Wanderers' election has been met with a lot of reactions. Kenyan Premier League representative Innocent Mutiso has welcomed the new change at the Football Kenya Federation, saying that football players are looking forward to better days ahead. This was the first time the football players were allowed to cast a vote through their representative.
As Secretary General of SACAFA, and now as the first president of KF, and the record is there for all to see. But there comes a time to make critical decisions. That time, dear friends, has come, and I have to make a call to hand over active leadership of football and oversee a smooth transition. I have made this decision out of love for the game, the passion and appreciation that no good leader should be pushed to give up power, and that while I may still possess the energy and drive to lead FKF, there are many others with fresh vigor and charisma who will take over, and my input would be much more relevant alternative spheres. I have thought greatly about this decision, ladies and gentlemen, and this is the right thing to do. I'm sure that the reaction of this announcement will bring joy to some and anger to others, but allow me to address myself to why this is so important at this time. Through deep personal reflection, consultation with my family, friends, and stakeholders of the beautiful game, have led me making this decision to focus on serving my country in other capacities. Yet, I will be available to offer my support and advice to those that I will be handing over the mandate to.